Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll look at how we can connect to this Linux Mint machine from this Windows 11 machine, and we'll be using SSH, which is a secure method for doing remote connections. Now on the Linux Mint machine we just need to make sure that we have SSH installed and it's active and running. We'll also need the IP address and we need to have a username and a password. And then on the Windows 11 machine we have tools we can use for SSH connections. We can use the command prompt, or we can use PowerShell, which have inbuilt SSH, or we can use apps like PuTTY, which we'll need to download. So let's go ahead and open the terminal here on Linux Mint. And what I need to do is I just need to verify that I have SSH enabled and running here. I can do sudo system ctl status SSH, put in my password here, and at this time we see that it's inactive, so I need to start the services. To start SSH services, the command is sudo system ctl start SSH, and let's repeat the command to check the status. System ctl status SSH, and as you can see it's active and running. Now if you want to enable it such that every time you boot up the machine it's going to be enabled for you, you can use the enable command, and let's see that it will be sudo system ctl enable SSH, and repeat the command to check the status, and now it's enabled. Okay, you can even see some of the logs here. It's listening on port 22. Next thing is to get the IP address on this machine. We'll need it on the Windows 11 machine for the remote connection. To get the IP address, the command is IP address. On this machine the IP address is 172.16.1.101, and the other thing we need is a username and a password. With that information we'll go to the Windows 11 machine. Now on the Windows 11 machine, like I said, you can use the command prompt, that way you don't have to install any new apps, or you can use PowerShell. I'll use the command prompt here, searching for CMD. So type CMD to search for the command prompt, or just type the command prompt, and then once you have the command prompt open, the first thing you might want to do is to make sure that the remote device, the Linux Mint device, is reachable via ping. So do ping and then ping the IP address we got, 172.16.1.101, and the ping is successful, meaning the device is reachable. Okay, now to connect to it using SSH on the command prompt, the command is SSH, then the username and then and then the IP address 172.16.1.101. Press enter, and yes, password for the user and I'm connected. I can do W here and it's gonna show me the connection here. This is the source IP, this is the user, and we're using SSHD for the connection. Okay, if you go back to the Linux Mint machine and rerun the command to show the status, you should also have a log here showing that a session was open. For this user, it even shows you the source IP and they're using SSH. Password accepted. We'll go back to the Windows 11 machine. Now this is if you're using the inbuilt. I can exit here, close that connection. So if you wanted to use a tool or an application like PuTTY that allows you to customize your connections, you'll need to download and install it. Now PuTTY is free. You can open your browser and search for it. Now I have a browser open here. I'm gonna search for PuTTY download. Go to putty.org, and then download PuTTY, and then just find the version that you want, so click on it and the download should begin. Okay, once it's done, you can check your downloads folder. There is the file. To install it, just double click on it. Next, install, yes, finish. Okay, once the installation is done, you can search for PuTTY here. Just open the app. Here is where you'll type in the IP. The port is 22 for SSH, so it's 172.16.1.101. And like I said, you can customize the font, the appearance, the background color, foreground color, and stuff like that. So once you have all your settings done, you can save your connection and then you can select it, click open, accept, and then just type in the username here and the password. And again, I'm logged in. This is the connection right here. So that's all for this video. That's how you can remotely connect to Linux Mint from a Windows 11 machine using SSH. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.